Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting Face ID now. Open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode so the phone can make secure changes. Once done, tap Set up Face ID and hold the iPhone in portrait orientation about an arm's length away. Make sure there's adequate light. The True Depth system needs contrast to map your features. Slowly position your face inside the circular frame so the camera can detect edges and contours. Move on once the first scan completes. Don't rush the initial capture. Continue by following the on-screen circular motion prompts. This teaches the phone multiple angles. You'll slowly turn your head in a small circle. Make sure to keep your eyes open and face-centered so the sensor captures nose, eyes, and chin. If you wear glasses or a hat, include a pass where you have them on to improve reliability. Once the first scan finishes, the system asks for a second scan. Complete it the same way to refine depth and texture mapping for consistent unlocks. Finish by enabling any optional settings like attention-aware features to require your eyes for unlocks. Now lock the iPhone and test Face ID by picking it up and looking at the screen. Make sure it unlocks reliably from typical angles you use. If Face ID fails, don't panic. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, choose Reset Face ID, and redo the two-scan process in better light and without obstructions. If problems persist, check for case or screen protector interference before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.